So Apple has finally released the iOS 16 for all the major iPhones, and iOS 16 brings lots of new features which includes like multi-stop routing, shared photo library, multi-layered photo effect, live activities, personalized spatial audio, rapid security response, next generation of CarPlay, new emojis, customizations, new messaging features, filter by focus, pay later, widgets on the lock screen, notification views, quick notes, Apple News Sports, and redesigned home app. So yeah, these are all the new features which Apple has introduced with the new iOS 16. Apple has already released the iOS 16 developer beta version for the developers. I have also installed iOS 16 on my phone. The phone I'm using is iPhone 12, and we will see all the major new features which have arrived in the new iOS 16. We'll not covering the each and every features, like we'll only look into the major feature which has like got big changes. So we'll start with the lock screen. So this is the lock screen, and like lock screen has got the biggest change so far, and now we can customize many things on the lock screen. Like if you go to customize, there are like 3 different portions of widgets. So the top portion can be customized. We can choose from all these different bunch of options. Second is clock. In the clock widget you can only customize the font and the color. That's all you can customize, nothing else can be customized. So in the third row, I think this is the most customizable row, and it has got like bunch of many options. So like in my case, I have set the temperature. This will show me the temperature. This will show me the battery percentage, and this I don't know what it is, but yeah, just for an idea, you can customize all these 3 rows. Also you can customize the tone of the wallpaper, like if you want in like light tone or in a very dark tone. There are bunch of different options, and it also shows like solid, bright, vapor, deep, tone, vibrant. So yeah, apart from these customization, if you go into this plus, there are like bunch of many more customizations available. So in photos, you can add photos from your gallery app. In photo shuffle, it will shuffle the pictures which are available in your gallery. Emoji will set like different kind of emojis. Again, a very nice and very cool feature. Weather will set your background according to your weather. So yeah, if you go to astronomy, it has also got bunch of like different option here. The first option is Earth, second option is Earth detail, third option is Moon, fourth option is Moon detail, and then solar system. Yeah, so and the last option, color, has got some solid color to choose from. Like there are like bunch of different color. Also we can choose the intensity of the color. So yeah, that's all about. Also one thing I will like to point out, like if your phone get any notification on the lock screen, it will not interrupt the whole lock screen. The notification will stacked up in the bottom, and if you try to scroll, like this is how you can scroll the notification, and it also has got some cool animation at the bottom. So yeah, this is also very new on the new iOS 16. And then come the second feature. Feature is like again the notification which I talked about. Like if we, first of all, this new animation at the bottom, this is new. And yeah, again the, as you saw on the lock screen, like it is now a lot more cleaner, and the lock screen looks a lot more neat. Talking about the third big change which I feel is the search. Like now you can search from the home screen itself. Yeah, like here you can see there's a dedicated search option. As you can click the search button, it opens the search menu, and the search is now a lot more seamless. Like if I search for iOS 16, so as you can see, it also searches from my photo which has got iOS 16, and it is also highlighting the text. So yeah, that's one of a very cool feature. Like previously we have to like scroll down for searching anything, but now you can directly click on this search and search anything you want. Third option is the Apple keyboard haptics. So now they have added a haptic feedback option in the setting, as you can see. So that's a new thing. Also there's a very new feature of like, so now Apple has added a very new cool feature which lets you to copy text from the video itself. So if we go into this video, and if we try to like, okay, if we try to pause here, we can actually copy the text from the video itself. As you can see, we can now actually copy the text from the video itself. So that's a very cool and very new feature from the Apple in the new iOS 16, and which I think like very useful. For now it only works in the videos recorded through your camera. It doesn't work in YouTube, but maybe in the upcoming, or maybe in the public release, we will be able to copy the text from the YouTube as well. Again, the wallpaper, like Apple has added this cool new bunch of wallpapers, and if we go into customize again, yes, from here you can see these are the wallpapers which has been added. Also in the emojis, there are like few pre-installed wallpapers to select from. And in the collection also you can find some wallpaper. Also there are some really good looking solid colors wallpaper, and in my opinion these look like very cool, very nice. If you can get the right combination of the color, it will look like really good. So yeah, now the next thing I would like to talk about is that like now you can directly take notes from the notification center itself. Like all you need to is click this icon and you can like directly take a note from the notification center itself. So yeah, that's a very nice and very handy and very useful feature. So also we have like a new safety check feature like privacy and security. and we scroll down, we have an option of safety check, and we have got two new features which called emergency reset and manage sharing and access. Like in emergency reset, it says immediately reset access for all people and app and review your account security. And in manage sharing and access, it says customize which people and apps can access your information and review your account security. So yeah, these two options are also very new in the iOS 16. And yeah, that's pretty much about the main features which has been added into the iOS 16. There are a bunch of more new features, like if you talk about, you can now delete message from the iMessage, and you can even edit in the iMessage, like if you can edit the text sent into the iMessage. And there are a bunch of more features which has been added into iOS 16, but like I find these 6 to 7 feature more useful, and yeah, that's mostly you gonna use in your daily life. And these are like really cool features and very useful features. And yeah, that's all about the video. I will see you in the next video.